In this video, we'll be discussing the intermediate value theorem. The theorem says if f is continuous on the closed interval from a to b, and f of a is not equal to f of b, and k is a number between f of a and f of b, then there is at least one number c in the closed interval from a to b such that f of c is equal to k. Now what that means, here's a diagram of that theorem. Notice we have our closed interval from a to b is right in here, and f of a is the y value that corresponds to the x value a, and f of b is the y value that corresponds to the x value b. And we notice that f of a and f of b are not the same number. And we also are told that k is somewhere between f of a and f of b. Then this is an existence theorem that says there must be at least one value c in between a and b such that f of c is equal to k, or the y value that corresponds to the x value c is going to equal k. Now let's use this theorem. First problem is show that the function f of x equal ln x minus 1 has a solution between 2 and 3. Now the problem is not asking for the solution. Obviously we could solve this function and find the solution, but this is basically asking us to prove that we have one solution at least between the numbers 2 and 3. So we'll use our intermediate value theorem. Our interval AB is going to be 2, 3. And we need to find f of 2, and we need to find f of 3, and show that those are not equal. So f of 2 is going to be ln 2 minus 1, which is approximately negative 0.30685. And f of 3 is ln 3 minus 1, which is approximately 0.09861. Now, finding a solution means that we write this. Means finding an x value so that f of x is equal to 0. Whenever you're asked to find the solution of a function, basically you're asked to find its zero. So by the intermediate value theorem, since 0 is between negative 0.30685 and 0.09861, or f of 2 and f of 3, there is at least one solution between 2 and 3. Do another one. In this one, we're asked to show that the function f of x equal x cubed plus 5x minus 3 has a 0 in the interval from 0 to 1. Now if a function has a 0, that means it has a solution, or f of x equals 0. So our interval is from 0 to 1. So we want to find f of 0, and we want to find f of 1. And we need to show that those are not equal to each other. So f of 0 would be 0 cubed plus 5 times 0 minus 3. So that's negative 3. And f of 1 is 1 cubed plus 5 times 1 minus 3, which is 3. And so since 0 is between negative 3 and 3, there is at least one 0 in the interval from 0 to 1.